In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Meta Business Suite account. Now, what you want to do is go to business.facebook.com and then you're going to be directed to this website where you simply log in with Facebook or with Instagram. But for this instance, I'm going to create an account to show you how to actually make it. Simply press on create an account, and let's say you don't have Facebook, so you simply press on sign up for Facebook, where you put in your details, as I'm going to do right now. Now, the first name is going to be instant how to, and then you put in your email. So for me, it's the instant how to at gmail.com. And then you have to re-enter your email. I'm just gonna copy it. Have to select a password that you want to have. Now, let's say I want a random password I make up. You have to put in your birthday. So you just select on uh, your birthday. And once you've successfully done that, you put in your gender and then click on sign up. Now, as you can see, it's going to ask you to put in your real name you use in everyday life. So I'm gonna have to put in my real name instead. There we go. You press sign up. And then once you've done that, you have to enter in the code that they've sent you to your email. So let me do that really quick. And then you have successfully confirmed your account with the email, and you'll use this email address to log in. You press on OK. And now you can decline or allow optional cookies. I'm going to allow it. Now, once you're inside the Facebook, all you have to do is press up here and type in business.facebook.com. And then just click here where it says create an account. Now you've got the Facebook account. You press on create an account. And then you have to put in your information. Now your business and account name. Let's say I want instant how to in here. And then your business email. So the instant how to at gmail.com is what I want. And then your full name. And then you press on submit. And then right here it says your Facebook account is too new to create a business account. You have to try again in an hour. Now, if that happens to you and you've just created a new Facebook account, you have to wait for an hour. And once you do that, you press and submit, and it's going to let you into the Meta Business Suite account or the Facebook Business Manager, and that's it.